This week we're going to be fixing chicken fried chicken. Now, I've already patted out the chicken, and all you're going to put it in is some buttermilk and eggs, and you'll be using some all-purpose flour, and you're going to be seasoning it with whatever you want. Let's get started. Now, I'm just taking it out of the buttermilk mixture right there, putting it in the flour, making sure it all gets covered. Alright, now we're going to be making the mashed taters. We use some of these canned taters Mom canned up back during the winter. We'll put 2 cans of them in. And you're going to put just enough water over them to cover the taters. Alright, let's get back to the oil. Looks like it's heated up enough. We're going to put the chicken in. We're going to let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It just depends on how crispy you want it. Alright, that's been after 3 minutes on one side. Alright, now that's after 3 minutes on each side. It'll just depend on how thick your chicken is. Now, I've cooked taters till they're tender with a fork, and it's going to vary on how long it takes y'all's taters to cook, because these was canned, but ours probably cooked for 10 minutes maybe. Another trick I'll tell you is I poured the water off of these taters, and on the recipe for these, you cook them again for another minute. It gets all the water out of the taters. I don't know if y'all knew that or not, but now you know. Now, I'm going to tell y'all a secret right now. I messed up. Whenever I was putting the buttermilk in, I should have put it in slowly as I mixed it. Yep, you can see my mistake right there. I poured the whole thing in. You'll see here in just a minute what happened. Yep, look at it starting to go everywhere. I made a mess. But it worked out. Alrighty folks, there's the finished product. Them taters, they sure was good. I'll put the recipe link down in the description below. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And I want to thank y'all for saying a prayer for me. I sure do appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.